Hello everyone, so in the man cave I've got my gas tank, propane, so we're going to have some fun. Yes, I'm in a shed, yes it's made of wood, yes I'm going to put a lot of heat in, and I've not really got all that much health and safety equipment on. As you can tell, I'm probably going to get lambasted for this, but at the moment today, after what I've been through this week, I really do not give a flying shit. So anyway, needless to say, I'm going to fire this up. And just fire it on. That's all I'm going to do. It needs to have a bit of heat into it. I just want to see it running and just show you. But it's quite straightforward. So you get your propane tank, and you have your regulator. It's all branded Devil Forge. Obviously, if you look at the other video, you'll see what it is. And it's a case of tightening these in. So this is a 24mm spanner, which I found out that I haven't got one, and I've got some form of Imperial one. I can't remember what exactly that equates to, but it's one of those. And it's also left-hand thread. And a top tip on these is on the nuts, you'll know if it's left-hand thread. If it's got a little notch in it, it's left-hand thread. So there's what they say, righty-tighty, loosey-goosey. It's obviously the other way around. So you do it the opposite way. Take your time with it. You'll be fine. Don't over-tighten it. You'll strip the threads. You'll knacker everything up, and then you're going to be crying. So that goes on. You've got a lever here. This will allow ultimately the gas to go through, so keep that off at the moment. But what I want to do is I just want to put a little bit of gas through. So all I'm going to do, so with this, you open up the valve. So this one's to undo, so we bring that out. So I'll open that up. Ooh, we're all nervous yet? I have briefed the wife that should there be an unfortunate explosion, that she has to come out and grab the hose pipe and just douse me with it and then worry about everything else afterwards. She wasn't impressed with that. So anyway, so opened up the gas, and then you've got this one here, and then what we want to do is we just want to tighten this one in, and your gauge will go up and around. And at the moment I'm at what is it? I don't even know what this metric is, but it's not a lot, so I'll just keep it low. And then what I want to do is just open up to allow some air in on here. And I don't know whether you're going to hear it in a second, but there will be a hiss. So I'm just going to get this. Okay. So there we go. Hopefully I'm not going to blow stuff up. No. Woohoo! Oh, yes! Get in! Right now, let's get you over so you can see what's happening. I might have to turn this off quite quickly, but if we, nice blue flame now. I don't know. Let's open this up. Oops. As you can see, I've already got a hot spot. I don't know. Well, that's getting toasty already. Right, I'm going to turn this off for a little while. Up here, just above where the camera is, it's getting really hot. I mean, I'm going to warm the shed up. It's cool. So anyway, I'll see you in a bit. Bye.